I welcome you back in one in all YouTube channel. That is day 17 of typing tutorial. Today I will give a first practice exercise on the bottom row. You have to type the given paragraph that is starting from ZVXPC to MNN full stop forward slash. You have to type the given paragraph for at least 45 times. While typing, you should avoid the use of backspace key. If possible, type the given paragraph without doing a single mistake. At the beginning, type slowly and later on increase your speed slowly. Suppose if you make any mistake while typing any word, then repeat that word only for another 30 times. This will help you to reduce your mistake. If you want the PDF link of this paragraph, you can check it in the description. That's it, that much. Thank you so much.